If you're growing dahlias, you've probably seen some white junk on the leaves when it gets later in the season. This is powdery mildew, and it's all but unavoidable here in the Pacific Northwest. Today, I'm going to show you how I strip the dahlia plants so that they can get better airflow and avoid that powdery mildew stuff that shows up at this time of year. Right now, it's September in the Pacific Northwest. It's starting to cool down in the mornings, and honestly, I should have done this sooner. But the bottom leaves are really not serving any purpose for your plants at this point. All they're doing is collecting moisture, and that can really cause some health issues with your plants. So I like to go through and strip the bottom third of the plant, maybe even more. Right here in the video, I only have time to show you some of it, but just pulling downwards on those leaves will strip them right off, and it gives much more airflow between the stems. You're able to see which stems belong to which plants, and it makes labeling a lot easier. And I try and strip all of my dahlias as well as all of my zinnias before the rainy season hits.